halfway through 2026, and a lot of development teams, as well as libraries, are leveraging Vite.js. Vite.js applications have a public directory. If you have images that lives within this public directory, Vite will not touch any of these images. Developers that are transitioning from Webpack or some other bundler to Vite might not be aware of this fact. Therefore, it is incumbent upon you to optimize these images before you push them up to production. Obviously, you want to use an image format that maintains quality but is much lighter in weight, say compared to this ping. You can see there is huge. Since there are only 16 images and they don't change often, we can leave it here in the public directory once they have been optimized. In the case where you have to keep these images inside of the public directory, and these images do not change, but there are additional images to this folder, say every month or so, then I would leverage some kind of Vite plugin, some sort of like a Vite image optimizer to optimize the images for you, just to save yourself some work. In a situation where new images are constantly being added to this folder, and not only that, but these images versions change, meaning you get a different image for the same car model, then I would move the images folder into the source directory. That way, these images can be optimized and we can have cache busting as part of our build process. And for those who don't know, this is how cache busting works. If I were to have a new version of this Forerunner image, I'm going to force the browser to download the latest image through a hashing algorithm on the file name. We can easily accomplish this through Vite via the build command. And truth be told, if you're coming from Webpack 5 to Vite, the process is relatively similar to this. But I am seeing development teams running into these types of issues when they convert over to Vite. So hopefully this was helpful for you. Please consider subscribing to my channel. It is completely free. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.